One of the main questions that customers ask me is, what do you do? Obviously I clean houses, but I think they want to know more specifically, what do I do when I'm cleaning their house? My name's Miss Jenny with Miss Jenny's Cleaning, and today I'm going to show you how I clean a bathroom. I'm going to do it in, what do you call it? Oops, my blooper. Okay, I'm going to do it in fast forward so you don't have to go through the whole spiel. I don't know if a 10-15 minute video is your thing, probably not. But what I will do is, since I'm not going to be giving sound, I will put a list of the products that I use in the description below, because as you're soon going to see, my bottles aren't marked, but I know what everything is by the color. So here we go. Clean. The only thing I have left to do is the floors, and I think I forgot to mention at the beginning, I took any throw rugs or carpeting. This guy has a bigger carpet, which is kind of hard to see here, but and anything that goes on the floor, so trash can has to be emptied, and he has a pair of slippers that he keeps in here, so that's all taken out at the very beginning, and it's right here outside the door. One trick, this is a bonus trick here, you want to move things the least amount of space as possible, and if you notice I didn't clear out the whole bathroom, but anyway, the last thing I have to do is the floors. Okay, so this bathroom is clean, and now all we have to do is let the floors dry. I'll come back in and put the carpets down and the trash can back, and while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to go and do other parts of the house. If you like this video, of course, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button below. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks. Bye.